Hi everyone, welcome back to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Christmas themed pizzas. This is so much fun. It's perfect for date night. It would be fun with your kids. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to decorate them and how to cut them. And we're not going to be showing how to make homemade pizza crust. That will be a different video. If you'd like to see that, please let me know. Now what you'll need is basically 2 batches of pizza dough. So you can buy the pre-made, pre-ready pizza dough. We actually did end up making it. I can share the link of the recipe that I used to make this. It's from the Preppy Kitchen. It's an easy pizza dough. I added a bunch of herbs to it. That's what I did with the leftover crust. So don't throw away the leftover pieces because you can make a reindeer out of them. How cute is that? Now my husband kind of drew out his tree just gently using the knife before he cut it to make sure he had it exactly how he wanted it. Basically just cutting triangles in and leaving a little stem on the bottom. So it was pretty easy. And then I rolled out 2 circles, one large one that was about 8 inches and one a little bit smaller than 6 inches. And then I saved a third little piece to make a snowman hat. Now, you don't have to make a snowman hat like this, but basically what you're doing is just using your pizza cutter to carefully cut things. And I stretched it out a little bit just to make it fit because the dough is pretty pliable as well. So make sure you're cutting this on a surface like a large cutting board so you're not damaging your counter, and lightly floured if needed so that it doesn't get stuck because you don't want to lose all your hard work. So now we've got our snowman here, 2 rounds. We're going to place them on top of each other. And then I'm going to place that hat right, well, my husband's doing it, place the hat right on top of that snowman there. Look how cute it is already. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and brush that all around the edges. And then I'm going to place my pizza sauce on top and lots of grated mozzarella or vegan mozzarella. Can use whatever cheese you like there. So there's the pizza. We did the same thing with the Christmas tree. And now for our eyes, 2 eyes made out of coal. We're gonna do the smile and everything with black sliced olives. So hopefully you like black olives. If not, you can cut around those parts. And then I had a piece of carrot. It wasn't short enough, so I'm just using the end off a carrot as the carrot nose. Didn't really end up eating it. I think I picked it off and gave it to my dog because it just didn't really go with the pizza, but it looks so cute, so I had to keep it on there. Now for the scarf, I used a bunch of cherry tomatoes, which I did eat. They were actually so good on this pizza, and look how cute that little scarf is. Now optional, if you like mushrooms, you can use mushrooms to decorate as well. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing here. You can do whatever you like. Get creative, have fun, do whatever you want because this is such a fun activity. And now for decorating that Christmas tree. Again, use any of your favorite toppings, but we ended up using the black olives and the cherry tomatoes and some mushrooms on there, cut them into nice little circles so they look like Christmas ornaments. We're going to add basil too. We added some jalapeno, but don't put the basil on before it goes into the oven. So you can see those are all ready to go. Look how cute. This was so much fun and it was so relaxing. And so we're going to throw those into the oven and start baking those. Just bake according to the recipe instructions or package instructions for that. And during that time, we're going to make our little Rudolph here with our leftover dough. Now we put mushrooms on the ears, which kind of makes him look like he had spacers, which is kind of funny. He's like a trendy little Rudolph, but it was so delicious and it was such a great use of the leftover dough, but it didn't take as long to bake in the oven, so we put him in after these 2 were done cooking. Just keep an eye on it because if you're making something that's a little bit smaller, it might take less time. Now that they're done, we're going to add that basil on. We don't want it to cook. We want it to be a fresh garnish on top if that is something that you're wanting to add. And of course, these are best served with your favorite Christmas movie. So for us, that is Jim Carrey's How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Absolutely love it. One of our absolute favorites. And look, the reindeer is ready to come out of the oven too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this video.